Sources close to the discussions review that many within the security forces and war veteran community believe Mnangagwa betrayed the 2017 coup pact, which allegedly included an agreement for him to serve only one term before handing over power to Chiwenga. Sanabena mashoko abuda panapa a powerful military faction loyal to VP Chiwenga is said to be behind the plot of a coup. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. A secret meeting reportedly took place in Mashonaland Central, a province historically known as a hub for political coups. The violence has long been a stronghold for anti-Mnangagwa elements within ZANU-PF and the military, particularly those loyal to Chiwenga. A source close to the faction stated, "You hear what credible war veterans like Blessed Geza are saying. He is not hallucinating, he is communicating a message from the script, and you must listen to him carefully. This is not the first time that power struggles within Zimbabwe's ruling elite have led to political upheaval and bloodshed." The late Air Force Commander Perence Shiri, who played a crucial role in 2017 coup against RG Mugabe, was known for holding secret meetings with allies such as Paradzai Zimondi and Bindura South MP Remigius Matangira at the Bindura Acadia Dam. Despite Mnangagwa's peg of senior military officers linked to Chiwenga, tensions continue to simmer within the security forces, with the many still loyal to Chiwenga and deeply resentful of Mnangagwa's growing authoritarianism. Unlike in 2017, Mnangagwa strengthened his grip over Zimbabwe's intelligence agencies and placed loyalists in key military positions. However, history has shown that Zimbabwe's political landscape is unpredictable, and even a heavily fortified president can be overthrown if military discontent reaches a breaking point. Tomash kwakunzi awo panguva inoi vakomana vari kuanalyza nhau dzese dziri kuitika vari kuti aiwa tava road cross pari kuonekwa kunzi panguva inoi hapasina kumira zvakanaka, noda kuti situation yasiyana neyakudhara. Panguva inoi any faction igona kungojamuka and kunobva kwatongoita hondo, noda kuti vakomana both ends aiwa vari armed. Tuziva mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.